Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to increase or decrease sound volume of Windows, Mac, Linux PC using Android and iOS smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on your respective computer, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as Unified Remote, and the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. You just click on this download option. Now you can click on this other versions and you can select your respective operating system that you are using on your respective computer. So right now I'm using a Windows, so I'm gonna download for Windows. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. Click on accept, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So just click on finish. And now on your respective Android or iOS smartphone, you need to install the same application named as Unified Remote, which is available in the Play Store for Android smartphones, and for iOS smartphones it's available in the App Store. So right now I'm using an Android, so I'm gonna open the Play Store, and if you're using a iOS smartphone like iPhone, then just open the App Store and just search for Unified Remote, and the first list you will see the application. You just click on install. You just click on open. Now just select this. I have installed the server, since we have installed the similar application on our respective computer earlier. So you need to enable the Bluetooth. Click on OK, click on allow. So just select the respective computer. So in my case the first one is my respective computer. So you can see connected already. Let's get started. So finally I have successfully connected my Android smartphone with my respective Windows computer using the similar applications. So now I can see a tons of options here. So I'll directly focus on the topic. So just click on this media. Now you will see here tons of different options. So if I click on this respective volume increase button, so now you can see I can increase the sound volume of my respective computer. So I can decrease also. So you can see when I can mute the sound, so you can see here. So I can play, pause everything, the music also from here itself. So it's perfectly working. So by using this application named as Unified Remote, you can easily increase or decrease sound volume of Windows, Mac, Linux PC using Android and iOS smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.